Alright, welcome back. Now what we're going to do is we're going to apply the property of logs for each one of these and solve them. Okay? So now, let's start with A. So we've got log base 3 of 3 to the 10th power. Now, so we've got an exponential here, right? So we've got an exponential inside a log, and they both have the same base. So these are going to undo each other, and the exponent is going to pop out. Okay? So this is going to equal 10. And all we're doing is we're using the fact that logs and exponentials of the same base are inverse functions of each other. Okay? So what's going to happen is we're taking the exponential, raising the base to the 10th power, but then the log, base 3, is undoing that. Okay? Now, you can also use the definition, right? So of logs, 3 to what power equals 3 to the 10th, and that obviously it's 10. But again, here, natural log of e squared, right? So again, natural log has a base of e. So we've got another exponential here, right? We've got an exponential inside a log with, and they both have the same base. So again, they're going to undo each other, and we're just going to get the exponent out too. And again, you could use the definition and write it in equivalent form, right? You could say e to what power equals e to the second, and then the equivalency property gives it to you, right? But again, just memorize and know these. So now, log base 11 of 11, right? So again, this is using the other property. Says, okay, what power, right? We're looking for an exponent. What exponent of 11 will give me 11? And then the only exponent that will ever give you that is 1, right? But again, you can also look at this as an exponential with an exponent of 1 and do the same thing that we did for A and B. Okay? Log base 10 of 10, same idea. We've got the same base, right? So the only exponent of 10 that will give me back 10 is 1. Now, let's look at this one. So this is log of square root of 7 of 1, right? So again, what you're looking at is, okay, what exponent of, so again, we're raising this to an exponent, right? So the way we would think about this is, okay, the square root of 7 to what exponent will give me 1? And remember, it doesn't matter what number it is. The only exponent on a number that will make it 1 is 0. Okay, so the log base square root of 7 of 1 is 0. How about this, the natural log of 1? Okay, that's also going to be 0. Because again, it doesn't matter what the base is, the only exponent that will make a number equal to 1 is 0. Now, let's look at this one. So 5 raised to the log base 5. So now, if we look at this, now what we have is, we have this large log, right? This is a log inside an exponential. So now we've got, again, we've got a log function, right? Or a log expression inside an exponential expression, and they both have the same base. So they're going to undo each other. So that means what's going to pop out? The argument here is going to pop out. So that means the answer here is going to be c squared plus 4. All right. That's it. Have a great day.